Elon Musk, born June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa, is a businessman, industrial designer, engineer, and philanthropist. In 2018, he was ranked 25th on the Forbes list of the world's most powerful people, and was ranked joint first on the Forbes list of the most innovative leaders of 2019. As of September 2, 2020, his net worth was estimated by Forbes to be $93.3 billion, making him the fifth richest person in the world. The following companies he founded, co-founded and leading, are changing this world technologically. Number 1. Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003, by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that people didn't need to compromise to drive electric, that electric vehicles can be better, quicker and more fun to drive. After 11 years in the market, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electric passenger car manufacturer in 2019. And this is just the beginning. With Tesla building its most affordable car yet, Tesla continues to make products accessible and affordable to more and more people, ultimately accelerating the advent of clean transport and clean energy production. Electric cars, batteries, and renewable energy generation and storage already exist independently, but when combined, they become even more powerful. Number 2. SolarCity. SolarCity Corporation is a subsidiary of Tesla that develops and sells solar panels and solar roof tiles. SolarCity was founded in 2006 by brothers Peter and Lyndon Rive, based on a suggestion for a solar company concept by their cousin, Elon Musk, who was the chairman and helped start the company. On August 1, 2016, Tesla announced, in a joint statement with SolarCity, that it would be acquiring the company, in an all-stock $2.6 billion merger. Tesla's mission since its inception has been, to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Solar energy systems have generally been installed, by mounting solar panels on an existing roof. In August 2016, Musk announced that, Tesla would be introducing a new product called the Tesla Solar Roof. In the product, the photovoltaic energy-generating devices and system make up an entire roof surface. He stated it's not a thing on a roof. It is the roof. Number 3. Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is a proposed mode of passenger and freight transportation. Hyperloop is a sealed tube or system of tubes, with low air pressure through which a pod may travel substantially free of air resistance or friction. The Hyperloop could convey people, or objects at airline or hypersonic speeds while being very energy efficient. This would drastically reduce travel times versus trains as well as planes, over distances of under approximately 1,500 kilometers. The Hyperloop Genesis paper conceived of a Hyperloop system that would propel passengers along the 560 kilometers route, at a speed of 1,200 kilometers height, allowing for a travel time of 35 minutes. Which is considerably faster than current rail or air travel times. Preliminary cost estimates for this suggested route were included in the white paper, $6 billion for a passenger-only version, and $7.5 billion for a somewhat larger diameter version transporting passengers and vehicles. Number 4. The Boring Company. The Boring Company, also known as TBC, is an American infrastructure and tunnel construction services company founded by Elon Musk, in December 2016. The company's vision is to build a large network of fast-to-dig, low-cost tunnels to help alleviate congestion, and enable rapid transit across densely populated regions. The Boring Company currently has active construction, or is planning future projects, in both the Los Angeles and Baltimore, Washington areas. They have also been selected to build a downtown-to-airport loop by a government program for high-speed transport in Chicago. The Boring Company's high-speed underground public transportation system will be capable of transporting passengers, via compatible autonomous electric vehicles at speeds of up to 155 miles per hour. Number 5. SpaceX. SpaceX is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation services company, headquartered in Hawthorne, California. It was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk, with the goal of reducing space transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars. One of the great SpaceX's achievements include the first vertical takeoff and vertical propulsive landing for an orbital rocket. Musk has stated that one of his goals is to decrease the cost and improve the reliability of access to space, ultimately by a factor of 10. In December 2015, a Falcon 9 accomplished a propulsive vertical landing. This was the first such achievement by a rocket for orbital spaceflight. At the International Astronautical Congress of 2016, Musk announced his plans to build large spaceships to reach Mars. Using the Starship, Musk planned to send at least 2 uncrewed cargo ships to Mars in 2022. The first missions would be used to seek out sources of water and build a propellant plant. Musk also planned to fly 4 additional ships to Mars in 2024, including the first people. From there, additional missions would work to establish a Mars colony. These goals are, however, facing delays. Number 6. Starlink. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation being constructed by SpaceX, providing satellite internet access. The constellation will consist of thousands of mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit, working in combination with ground transceivers. SpaceX also plans to sell some of the satellites for military, scientific, or exploratory purposes. SpaceX intends to provide satellite internet connectivity to underserved areas of the planet, as well as provide competitively priced service to urban areas. The company has stated that the positive cash flow from selling satellite internet services would be necessary to fund their Mars plans. Number 7. Neuralink. Neuralink Corporation is an American neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk and others, developing implantable brain-machine interfaces. The company has hired several high-profile neuroscientists from various universities. Neuralink announced that it was working on a sewing machine-like device capable of implanting very thin threads into the brain. Musk explained that the long-term goal is to achieve symbiosis with artificial intelligence, which he perceives as an existential threat to humanity if it goes unchecked. Neuralink aims to implant wireless brain-computer interfaces in the most complex human organ to help cure neurological conditions like Alzheimer's, dementia and spinal cord injuries, and ultimately fuse humankind with artificial intelligence.